everyone, so we're back with another unboxing video. This time we have TWICE TV6 in Singapore. Alright, it's sealed. I got it for free because I entered the lucky draw when I bought my Yes or Yes album. So my seller actually gave this to me for free. So yeah, thank God I didn't buy because it's expensive. So yes, this is the back cover and here's the front cover with a lot of Singapore style. Here's the Malayan, the Ferris wheel, MBS right here. Okay, let's go ahead and unseal this little thing. Okay, let's see what we've got. Ooh, nice. Okay, so this thing here are the DVDs inside, and over here we got the photo book, which we'll take a look later. So let's take a look at the DVDs. I'm not sure. Oh, the postcards are here. Okay, we'll take a look at that later. Oh, this blue is really nice. Okay, the back. This is the inside. These are the places where they went. Yeah, if you've watched the TWICE TV6 before this thing came out, so okay. Here are the contents. We have the special film, which I really want to watch, so I'm going to watch it later. We have CD1, CD2, and the last CD. Okay. Now let's take a look at the postcards. Just leave this aside. Woo! Nice. Okay. Since we have Nyan. This is how the back looks like. Nyan. For name there. She can write something, but I'm not gonna do it because I don't want to damage it. She's so cute. Okay, then we have Jonghyun. Nice. This is the back. And we have Momo. This is so cute. Oh my god. Yep, what's that? Crab? Chili crab? Alright. Then we have Sana at the sea aquarium. It's nice. Teddy bear. Then we have Jihyo right outside USS. You can see the globe over here. Jihyo? Yep. We have Mina on the Singapore flyer, which is the big Ferris wheel. Mina! She got the Gardens by the Bay thingy. We have Dahyun at the... what is this place called? No idea, but yeah. Yep. It's like a map or something. We have Cheon. This is so cute. This is probably in Universal Studios. And yes, supermarket trolley. And we have Ziyu outside Universal Studios also. This is like, what is it called? The candy shop. No idea what is it called, but yes. Yeah, ice cream. Okay, that's it for the postcards. Let's take a look at the photo book.